Hi friends, welcome to FTB Academy. We are on a mission to transform and transcend your life so that you can achieve success, goals and dreams. In this journey, we have come up with a new initiative called Wisdom Gallery, and under that, we are going to share various topics which can inspire you to think beyond limits and take action. And we are sure that any action can give you a different result. Stay tuned with us because every Sunday you will receive a different topic and details about the same. Let us talk about first topic. The first topic covers stories about success and some important questions about success. This initiative can give you enough insights about the topic and motivate you to take action. My dear friends, Winston S. Churchill has said, "Success is not final and failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." Let us hear two stories which can give you amazing results. Story number 1. A young boy asked a rich man the secret of success. The rich man said, "Meet me tomorrow. We will go for a swim and I will tell you the secret of success." The next day, the boy came and they went for swimming. As they were swimming, the man took the young boy by surprise and ducked him into the water. The boy struggled to get out of it, but the man was strong and kept him there until the boy turned blue. Suddenly, the man pulled him out of the water, and the first thing the boy did was to gasp and take the deep breathe air. The man asked, "What did you want the most when you were inside the water?" The boy replied, "Air." The man said, "This is the secret of success. When you want success as badly as you wanted the air, then you will get success." Moral of the story: the secret of success is the burning desire. Story number 2. A biology teacher was teaching his students how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. He told the students that in the next couple of hours, the butterfly would struggle to come out of the cocoon, but no one should help the butterfly. Then he left. The students were waiting and it happened. The butterfly struggled to get out of the cocoon, and one of the students took pity on it and decided to help the butterfly out of the cocoon, against the advice of his teacher. He broke the cocoon to help the butterfly so it didn't have to struggle anymore. But shortly afterwards, the butterfly died. When the teacher returned, he was told about what happened. He explained to the student that by helping the butterfly, he had actually killed it because it was a law of nature, that the struggle has to come out of the cocoon actually helps develop and strengthen its wings. The boy had deprived the butterfly of its struggle and the butterfly died. My dear friends, apply this same principle to our lives. Nothing worthwhile in life comes without a struggle. As parents, we tend to hurt the ones who love most because we don't allow them to struggle to gain strength. Moral of the story: there is no success without struggle. We are sure that these stories can inspire you to think of your success strategy. At the end, we would like to leave you with some important questions. Here we go. How do you define success? Write down your 3 qualities which can help you to achieve massive success. What are the obstacles of success in your life right now? What is your next 1-year strategy for achieving massive success, and how does that success looks like to you? Kindly put your suggestions and comments, and please like, subscribe and share for more videos for different topics.